Hi, I am Fernand Guevara from 12 Gold STEM. So as you can see, I'm wearing a lab gown. So obviously, I'm gonna do an experiment. So what experiment am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna do the buoyancy and Archimedes principle. But before I start, I have a question. Have you ever wondered why you can float in a pool? Or how a ship made of heavy steel and carrying tons of cargo doesn't sink? And do you know that a scientist named Archimedes had similar questions? And one of the many things he is remembered for is the principle of buoyancy, which he explains how an object behaves when immersed in a fluid. So today, I'm gonna show you a simple interpretation of this principle which would have made it easier for you to understand why an object floating or sinking in the water. So I'm gonna demonstrate it to you by using a bowl with water and two oranges. One is filled and the other is unfilled. So before I put these two in the water, so which one do you think will float and sink? So my assumption is this unfilled orange will sink because it looks heavier and bigger than this one. To know the answer, let's put these two oranges in the water. Oh, you see that? The unfilled orange float, which means it is less dense than water. And the unfilled orange sinks, which means it is more dense than water. The question is, what is the reason behind why the unfilled orange float and the filled orange sinks? So to answer that question, the reason behind is the Archimedes principle. So in our experiment, the orange peel has tons of tiny packets of earth. That's why the unfilled orange floats and the filled orange sinks because it doesn't have skin and doesn't have air in it. That's why it sinks. So this is the simple interpretation of buoyancy and Archimedes principle all-in-one demonstration. So this is the end of my video. I hope that you learned something and enjoy my experiment. Bye!